Are you a morning person or a night person?
Hi, Lisa. I'm a night person.
Why do you stay up late?
Sometimes I finish at midnight.
Midnight? That's so late.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lina Talk. In this video, we have an interesting conversation about morning person versus night person. These mean some people stay up late and some people wake up early. In the conversation, Lisa and Tom have different habit of sleeping. You'll enjoy and learn from this conversation. Watch until end, you will know their reasons. But wait, subscribe my channel! Okay, let's get started.
Hi, Tom. Are you a morning person or a night person?
Hi, Lisa. I'm a night person. I always stay up late.
Really? I'm a morning person. I go to bed early and wake up early.
Wow, that's very different.
So why do you stay up late?
I'm busy in the evening. I help my mom with her shop.
Oh, that's nice. You help your mom.
Yes, after that, I study. Sometimes I finish at midnight.
Midnight? That's so late.
And after studying, I go on Facebook, TikTok, and mostly YouTube.
YouTube? What do you watch?
I watch English videos. Everything is in YouTube. Podcasts, conversations, movies, songs, a lot.
Oh, wow. That's good for English learners. For me, I do the opposite. I study and go on social medias earlier in the evening. Then I sleep around 9:30.
So that's why you wake up early.
Yes, I wake up around 5. I do the housework, like cleaning around the house, washing dishes, do the laundry, or even cleaning the bathroom. And then I review my lessons.
Wow, you do a lot in the morning.
Yes. The morning air is fresh. I feel strong and full of energy.
That sounds nice. But at night, I feel quiet and creative.
So, what time do you get up, Tom?
I get up at 6 if the class starts at 7, and I can sleep until 8 or 9 if I have no class in the morning.
Tom, maybe you should change. Try to be a morning person like me.
Change? Oh, no, I don't think I can. I have to help my mom in the evening.
Oh, yes, I know your reason. I was just kidding.
Thank you, Lisa. You understand.
But remember, staying up late every night is not good for your health.
Yes, you are right. I'll try to sleep earlier when I can.
Good. Morning or night, health is the most important.
True. Thank you, Lisa. This was a good doc.
Wow, the conversation is so amazing. That was our conversation about morning versus night person. Are you like Lisa, a morning person, or like Tom, a night person? Write your answer in the comments below. Did you learn some new words today? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you later.